How to add games on Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Wix and after that open up the site where you want to add the games. Simply click on the option of edit site and this way you would be able to open that particular site. Now you can either add a new page that would be quite better in order to present your game in a better manner, but for this video let's see how we can add the game, and that should be the main focus of this video. So in order to add that particular game, you need to open up that particular game on any website and just copy the link for that particular game. So make sure that this is a HTML game, only then it would be useful. So copy the link and you can get many HTML games out there. There are various games. Just simply get the link and after that open up Wix. Now click on the option of add elements. After that you need to search for HTML over here. Now after typing in HTML, click on the option of embeds. Now here you can see different options. Select the option of embed a site and this is how it will appear. Over here just simply paste the link of that particular site and click on the option of apply, and after that you can see that the game is already here and we can play it up, and just resize it according to your website's needs and requirements, and this way anyone would be able to play it up on your website. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.